Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Thryss if you are new, and if you are a returning young gremlin, welcome back. So it is the official release of July's full spectrum boxes. I am very sorry this video is so late. Many of you reached out to check on the family and I just wanted to let you know we are all doing just fine, so thank you so much. I had thought I put a community post out, and it turns out I think I must have either fallen asleep or it was a fever dream. I don't know, but it's not there. So I am so very sorry. But yes, so to those of you who are talking, worried about my health or whatnot and worried about ordering, please do not worry about that. If there is ever a time that I am not well enough to release the boxes and fulfill them, I just won't do it for that month. This is my livelihood, so please don't pull your orders. My family and I very much rely on them, so everything is good. I love you so much for the concern. Okay, so let's jump right into it because I'm so excited. I think I always say that, but I don't know. I really like this month. Okay. So the first one that we're going to look at is just for funsies because it's pretty. I was outside. Well, I've been spending a lot of time in the morning feeding the birds. I've been making myself wake up at sunrise, feeding the birds, just taking some time to be introspective and be in nature and have quiet time. It's been very tranquil, and then watching the sunset, and I'm just really appreciating life and people and everything like that. And I keep seeing the most beautiful sunrises and sunset, and that is just what this is called, sunrise, sunset, because I could not really decide which one, and so why not do both? So my lights are very much washing this out. The colors are really vibrant. I hope it's showing up vibrant, but I mean, it really just kind of looks dead on to what I've been seeing. The blues and purples. Well, of course you have like this, this one. And then where it goes from the peaches to the pinks. And this is actually a custom color that I created. It's like an orchid color. And then I accidentally dropped a little bit too much lilac. Oops, sorry. And then there's some lilac and a mix of delphinium and another blue to make that kind of sky blue. So I think that this is a really beautiful depiction of what I've been seeing, and I'm head over heels in love with it. I'm going to be dyeing that up for myself actually in this color pack in my 50% merino, 50% mulberry silk base. I think it will be really pretty and shiny. So it has all the colors in it. Again, these are kind of being blown out, but if I turn my lights down, then it doesn't look right. So I was trying to keep the cost down for you guys and keep this as a 5-pack. So this purple hank is actually a little bit of purple with a little bit of the blue streaks through, but if you want to extend it out into a 6 hank to have that blue, then all you would say is the you can just say the sun color pack with blue, and then I'll know. At the end of this, I will have screenshots like I did last month that gives the price breakdown, where you can pause and you can write everything down or take a screenshot of my screenshot, and to help the ordering process, because I know sometimes it can be a lot, but all hanks are $20, and so like this 5-pack would be $100. If you wanted that extra one and have the blue separated, it'd be $120. And then everything comes in fingering weight, which is 437 yards, sport weight, which is 325 yards, a DK weight, which is 231 yards, Worsted weight is 187 yards, and I do have bulky as well, which is 110 yards. And you can order any variegated hank or any color pack in any weight that you would like, and it's all $20 a hank. So okay, this I just love. I made a there's actually a color kind of here between these two that isn't showing up on camera, I'm seeing. But this color right here is a custom blend that I absolutely love. Like, you guys know I love gray. Gray is like my fave. But it's kind of a bluish tinted gray, sort of. So it goes from the bluish tinted gray into silver, and then you've got this mix between the silver and this bright green into like a turquoise aqua, and it's got like a blended color in between. So this is actually Cancer. This is the Zodiac collection. This is Cancer. And so Cancer is a nurturing, emotional, and has an intuitive nature. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera. And so their primary colors are blue, sea spray, or like seafoam green, and silver and white. And so that's definitely represented here. And I think this would make a beautiful color pack. I'm so bummed I did not make the color pack ahead of time, but I don't make all of them because they don't always all get ordered. This will make a fabulous color pack. So it will have this custom bluish gray, it will have this silver, it will have this green, it will have this this blue, and it'll have this like sea spray kind of turquoise in the middle. It will have those 5 colors in it, and it will be absolutely stunning. So yeah, that will be a 5-pack color pack. So again, that would be 100, or just for the variegated is 20 each. Okay, so for our continuation of our Harry Potter nostalgia collection, this is Go Go Gryffindor. So that is my house. Every test I've taken, I've always been a Gryffindor, which is very cool. So it is a kind of duckling, golden yellow, brown, kind of a pecan brown, red, and then we have a burgundy and black. And of course, I love where the burgundy and the black meet. And so this is the variegated version. I did not make the color pack ahead of time, but that would look exactly like this. It would have this golden yellow, it would have this brown, it would have this bright red, it would have burgundy, and then it would have black in it. So again, all the same sizes, all the same $20 per variegated and $100 per color pack. Okay, so for the Birthstone collection, this is Ruby. Now, oh my, that is not coming out true at all. What? This is coming out like peachy orange. This is red. Guys, sometimes technology and I aren't the greatest of friends, and I don't know how to fix this, but okay, so this is not red. Like, Garnet for January is red. I did Ruby this more really rich, deep, pinkish red color. A lot of rubies are that color. This is a lot deeper in real life. It's a beautiful colorway. I'm very upset it's not showing up proper. And then it has streaks of red going through it because the Birthstone collection is tonal. Now, the way I will be turning this into a color pack, should you decide, Alexandrite for June and then December's Birthstone are the ones that really can be turned into a color pack quite easily because there's so many different colors kind of packed in there. But these tonals can also be done. What I am doing is just a like ombre gradient set. So it will start out with a color like this, and then it will go to like a bright crimson red, then it'll be deeper of like a oxblood red, and then it will be burgundy and cabernet. It will be beautiful. If anybody wants to do that, I think that will be absolutely stunning. So what I've made for you for this month is this little guy right here. So I have a hard time keeping a hold of my phone sometimes. So what this is I'm using my phone, so I can't show you right now. But what you'll do is, like, this is not sticker at all. This is just a piece of thick, like polycarbonate plastic or something like that. So you take your case off. You take your phone case off and you set this in the bottom of your phone case, and this pushes out a little port, the hole in your case that stays open for your charger to go into. So just imagine your phone is here, it's going to end right here. This is coming out that you can still charge it and everything like that. So this just hangs out of that hole, and then you'll put your phone case back on. So now your phone case is on, and this is just chilling out your porthole of your phone charger. And then you will clasp this onto that, and it is a wrister. So I have been using this, and I can't tell you how many times I have saved my phone from dropping on the concrete or my kitchen floor because I had this on. It is also bright, so it's high the high visualization, high contrast. I can't think of the word. So I really like it for that reason, so that I can see, you know, where my phone is. And like sometimes I'll drop my phone down on the floor and it's dark down there, and this will be the only reason why I can see it, and then I can just pull it up. I actually dropped my phone between the wall and my couch the other day, and this was the only reason I was able to pull it up without having to move the couch, because this was sticking out. So this thing has been a godsend in the short amount of time I've been using it. So this is what I will be making. I think these are really, really nice to have. You can buy them, but I don't know, I just thought it'd be nice, a little thing for me to use. So I do know, it being the 3rd, I have taken away some of your days to order. I do apologize. So I'm giving you those days back. You can order until the 10th. This will not slow down the shipping. Shipping will still ship between the 15th and the 20th, as I have all of the bases. I do not have to wait for a yarn order to be delivered. And I've already begun working on dyeing some of these. So, and these are already made up. I was working on them last month. So, that will all be fine. So you can order until the 10th unless you speak to me otherwise. In which case I'll just need to know what it is you're going to order. So I can kind of get a start on those. You can pay by Zelle, Cashapp. If you need Venmo, let me know. Nobody's ever asked for it. Or PayPal. And the email will be in the description box below should you have any issues with ordering. If ordering is difficult and it deters you, just reach out to me, and you can just tell me your order through email. That's totally fine. But there is a place in every single payment method to be able to write a note, and I need your name, I need your address, and I need to know what you are ordering, which all of this will be here in just a moment as screenshots that you can take a picture of. But the Birthstone collection will be BC for Birthstone collection. The let's see, the sunrise sunset, you can just call sun, keep it easy, and you will either just write, you know, sun, and then DK, sport, fingering, bulky, worsted, whichever one you're wanting, and how many you're wanting. Or CP is color pack, so sun CP. And again, you can order it in any of those weights. And then the Zodiac collection will be ZC for Zodiac. And if you want the color pack, ZC CP, so Zodiac collection color pack. Don't get overwhelmed by everything I'm saying. It's going to be written all out for you at the end of this here in just a minute when I shut my pie hole. And then Harry Potter, you can write Harry Potter, you can write HP, you can write NC for Nostalgia Collection, however you want to do it. I'll know what you mean. So, and then color pack CP, same for that. So I love you guys so much. I will definitely talk to you guys soon. I have a couple videos already filmed, ready to go out. They're uploaded and ready to go. One of them's a tutorial, and one of them is a haul, but of not yarn, but yarn related, and I'm very excited. There's also a collaboration in the middle of the month between Crystal over at Bago Day and myself that will be released. So be looking forward to those. I love you guys so much. I will talk to you guys later. If you are celebrating the 4th, be safe out there. Be safe with travels. Be safe with the booms. And I will talk to you guys later.